If you have to recommend someone who wants to start with blockchain, what should be their first steps or a plan?
So I think if you want to work in the Web3 and blockchain space, like there's lots of opportunities, not just in programming, but also marketing, business development, and all that. And I think a lot of companies are really looking for this sort of talent. So you just have to know your own strengths, and first you have to decide like what part of this ecosystem that you want to work on. If you want to come into Web3 as a blockchain developer, I think there are two paths that you can take. Maybe you want to work on the core blockchain code, like how to make better blockchains, and that's typically done in Go, Rust, or C++. Or if you want to work on more of the application side of blockchains, like building on top of blockchains, then I think it makes sense to learn something like JavaScript or Python along with Solidity. And then in
Solidity.
JavaScript you have to learn like JavaScript frameworks like Ethers, JS, Brownie, or whatever. And it also helps to know some front end, so like Next.js or React. So having those basic programming skills, I think, will you just have to decide which path you want to take. And then there are so many blockchain companies that differs from place to place. It's like a general way to think about getting a job in the blockchain or Web3 space, I would say.